Welcome to the vlog. Okay.
You can touch smooth me.
So, welcome to today's vlog.
It's my birthday.
Today, get in my vlog. Sorry. Today, I am here with Haley, and it's her birthday, and we're here with Addie.
Ow!
And Katie. You wanna say her name?
Alex.
I'm sorry, I don't know her name. I don't know her name either, but she's cute or whatever. So we're just chilling
In Cedar Rapids.
Yeah, and we're just having a great time out here. Like, these are my glasses. They're really cute.
You look like a
bug. And Addie's vlogging too, so like go check out her vlog channel.
I stopped
you know?
my
like,
vlogs. I used to do vlogs.
Yeah, she used to be a vlogger, but we're out here on this boat. But there's like a bunch of other girls coming, and like,
yeah.
why does my hair look like this? So we're giving you guys a boat tour. Go.
Welcome to my crib. Okay, so this is the entrance. You know, it's just got we got some nice seating in the sun. And then you go this way, and there's a full wet bar, except for we can't drink, so it's not used. And then you keep traveling this way, and we got our great luxury bathroom in there. Nobody knows how to use it.
It's a toilet.
But like that's fine. And then we got like this area, and that's the slide right there. I'll show you more of that later. And there's a fishing pole, and there's a spider. That's my friend Jim. He's just gonna be chilling with us, I think. So don't step on him. Okay, and now we're making our way up to the second level of my crib. Oh my god. This is the balcony. It's really fine. You can fit 10 people up here, and you keep going, and then here's the slide. You know? And then we get to slide down there, and yeah, that's my crib.
Haley, go!
Don't push me, okay? You promise? You promise?
Yes.
You promise?
Yes.
I promise. If you go, I won't push you.
Haley, it's for the vlog.
Let's do countdown.
Do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog.
Go!
I said if you wouldn't go, I wouldn't push you.
Emma, push her.
Wait, give me a second. Let me like think of my dad real fast. 3, 2, 1. Go!
You're not gonna go unless you're
No, hold on. Okay, no, I'm not. Stop. Okay, ready? I know. Let me do it. Mama ain't raised no. Okay, wait. I'm gonna go. Okay. 3. I believe in you. It's so noisy. Haley, go! It's not that bad.
It's whatever, because we're on a boat.
Hi vlog.
We're on a yacht.
It's Emma. I'm back. I tend to be in a lot
We
of
don't
these.
like you.
Don't
Wants one of everyone.
fall off the slide.
We are stopping and going onto the bridge.
Missing someone
Okay, so basically what happened was I forgot to vlog for like the rest of the time on the boat, and then we left, and this is like basically what I got, and then after that is basically what happened at her house, and we chilled, and the rest of that is history, so enjoy.
Road work ahead. I sure hope it does.
Y'all said it all wrong.
No, you are wrong.
I'm not turning around again.
Yeah. It's actually road work ahead. Yeah, I sure hope it does, but it's fine. It's fine. Who cares? Okay. Just so you know, just like a quick warning for you guys, this next end of the vlog is some very cringy content. We were very full of energy and just hyper, and we were crazy. So don't judge too hard. Just click off if you don't like. Okay. Okay. Bye.
You didn't send a video to me.
You're not special.
Wait, but is it just I'm also having that chicken?
Nah.
Yeah.
What is up? We're out here. I'm so
We got a
crusty.
lot.
I'm just
Oh, the whole tub of white rice.
Oh,
No.
you can see we're vlogging. Oh! No. Not today, Satan. What?
Who said that earlier? They got like 666. Or what? Oops. Sorry.
What? I haven't vlogged in a really long. Wait, what is that thing? What's like? Yeah, that one. So like we out here eating dinner. Actually, we're in here eating dinner.
Because we're not out. And Haley spilled stuff all over the table.
And I don't know what time it is, but we're really grinding. We're eating
It just got so saucy.
noodles with pork.
I'm not gonna eat the last one.
Actually, I don't know. What is this?
You can have it.
But like we're having a
not very
fantastic time. I got a Java chip frappuccino.
I got one too,
We're
but I drank
we're
it.
eating Starbucks.
You're in my vlog.
Oh my god! So
I'm eating bean
sprouts. I don't have a chair, but I just want to eat my Chinese food. How do I get it?
Let's find a chair.
I'll just.
We have this.
I laughed and rice came out of my nose.
That's my mood. Can you scoot over?
Are you serious? Have you guys ever had yogurt come out of your nose?
No.
This is why your mom doesn't love you. What? We are grinding. I think that like.
Holy crap! It costs like a total.
Oh my god! Why is there cream coming out of it? Also, I don't have eyebrows. Oh my god! This is so great.
You love me,